Hey kids, how are you today? Let's do some alphabets today. But first we have to see some colors. Dark green color, yellow color, orange color, red color, peach color, pink color, light green color, purple color, and light blue color. These are the colors. Now let us get started with the alphabets. This is first letter A. Alligator. A for alligator. B for balloon. Balloon. C candle. C for candle. D the dinosaur. D for dinosaur. E egg. E for egg. F for flower. F for flower. G gate. Gate. G for gate. H hammer. H for hammer. I igloo. I for igloo. J juice. J for juice. K kitten. K for kitten. L lion. L for lion. M mango. Mango. M for mango. N nose. Nose. N for nose. O for octopus. 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 O for octopus. P penguin. Penguin. P for penguin. Q quilt. Quilt. Q for quilt. R rhino. R for rhino. S sunflower. Sunflower. D for toast. Toast. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for violin. Violin. W for water. Water. W for water. X, box, box. Y, yarn. Y for yarn. Z, zoo. Z for zoo. There you go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Give a like and subscribe. Bye.